Alright, so we got our blind set up in this little bit of taller stuff. Got a bulk of the rig to our right. And then we just kind of stringed it down the right hand side. This is pretty much the most open cut of the field. Birds have been landing in here, then kind of dispersing from here. So I figure leave this wide open, run our edge. We do have the wind at our back, slightly crossed, but like I said, bulk of the rig right here, literally right to the left of our blinds to kind of get them as close as possible. I feel like the blinds look pretty good. I mean, they're not like perfect, but this high stuff, I think we'll be able to get away with it, but it's definitely not perfect. But for the field, I think it'll do. Holy big flakes.
Yeah.
Well, it's gonna hide us better. Hello. Oh, 3-pack.
Kennel.
One's gonna do it, I think.
They're all doing it.
I'm gonna shoot to the right.
Kennel, no bird.
Dump.
No, here. Kennel. He's not getting that.
I'll get him.
Kennel, no bird. Kennel, no bird for you. Kennel. I didn't know you doubled.
Yep. Brant.
What? No way. Kennel.
Let him hook. Why will they not do it?
What was that?
I don't know. They're seeing something on the right here. Ones are looking. Kill him. One more, baby. Shoot that triple. Yeah, let's go.
Baby.
Let's go. Yes.
Ace. Yeah.
Nice.
Good boy. Here. That one's crippled.
Who cares?
Here.
Give Timmy a band on that.
Come on, here. Come on, fetch it up. Heel. Sit. That bird. No, good. Ah!
Ain't going nowhere.
Good boy.
Let's go.
Let's go. Heel. Sit. Where's the third one?
I'm not sure. Dead out there somewhere.
Get that triple! When I saw him go like this, I was like, yes! Look at I fucking threw my gun.
Oh. Here he comes. No, one more pass. Let's go. I didn't think he was gonna do it.
Nice.
Yeah.
Just like the 3.
All right, well, it didn't go super great, but it went. All the decoys we had here end up moving down. These birds are just favoring to our right. So shot our 2-man limit, and even I got a bonus bird, which is a brant, which is like borderline unheard of in a cornfield in this area. So I'm not sure what the skinny is on that, but it's a juvie bird, but I'm still gonna mount it because I'll most likely never shoot a brant unless I go on a guided hunt down in the city or something like that. So it's kind of rare for this thing, but we end up pushing those decoys down. The birds just kept on trying to get to our right, and I'm not sure exactly why, but they weren't doing it great and had a rough start, but it kind of came together. So